So good day to you, everyone. So peace and justice are the key elements in ensuring the sustainable world, especially in our society and community. Now that we are facing the most difficult times, especially in the present, where wars and injustice in our community emerges from around the world, especially to the undeveloped country like the Philippines and other countries in Africa and so on. So peace and justice provides us uh, many things, especially we can engage in they are promoting equality, good governance, and foster the more and uh, more and more ideas that we can do in ensuring that the developments sustainable development community will assure to foster those people who are unable to reach out their help. Moreover, government government support is the most important in both communities to foster their to help them to achieving this goal, because if one of them has failed, it is unsure that we can never achieve this goal. So it's important to us to help together to ensure that we to make a better world in promoting justice in peace. I think that's all for you. Thank you.